Taking a nap. After a busy morning of school and activities, I love taking a nap in the afternoon. Napping helps me recharge and feel energized for the rest of the day. I find a quiet spot in my room and snuggle under a soft blanket. I close my eyes and let my body relax. Sometimes, I listen to soft music or an audiobook to help me fall asleep. After a while, I wake up feeling refreshed and ready to continue with my day. A nap doesn't take long, but it helps me feel better and more focused. It's amazing how a short rest can make a big difference. I enjoy taking naps because they help me stay healthy and energized, especially on busy days when I need to recharge my batteries. Napping gives my brain a break, and it helps me to think more clearly when I wake up. I find that I am more productive after taking a nap because I can focus better. Sometimes, I even take naps on weekends when I don't have anything else planned. They are a great way to spend my free time, and I feel lucky to have the chance to relax and rest. Whether I'm lying on my bed or lounging on the couch, naps are always a part of my routine. The benefits of taking naps go beyond just feeling better physically. They also improve my mood and make me feel more cheerful.